Hey, Petty Fam. Okay, somebody in violation. What in the world? We're doing Queen and Clarence. Someone broke into their new home. Like, first of all, Queen is there, so therefore it's a palace. Like, don't be breaking into the palace. Like, what? They just got there. They still got stuff in boxes. Like, really? Who broke into their house? That ain't right.
This is the bathroom. It's like an 8-person shower right here.
Really love this closet,
the drip. People broke into our house. Oh, that was a big bite.
The mango stuck.
Hey, legend. He wearing the merch. Okay, I see you.
The mango stuck in your teeth?
Yeah, that's what happens.
You want to get it out?
Yeah.
What's up, y'all? We are back with another YouTube video. We decided to do a little Saturday vlog. It's Saturday.
I like her hair color. That's cute.
So happy Saturday to everyone. As you know, we've been gone a lot. I've been gone a lot too. So we decided to stay home and do an in-house vlog because we always going somewhere. So far, I've like put on a load of laundry, the whites, in the upstairs laundry room. By the way, we have 2 laundry rooms. I know y'all didn't know that because we didn't do a house tour, but there's like a whole little...
Yeah, this ain't gonna really be a vlog because this was you had brought this idea. What? You could tell them what inspired this video.
What inspired this video? What inspired the video?
You said that someone said that our last bathroom was bigger.
Oh, so in the comments in the last video, we was getting ready in our bathrooms to go on a date. A few people said that our last master bedroom's house was bigger than this one. And so I decided that like, we should just reveal it. Babe, why are you giggling? But yeah, so we're gonna actually show you guys the real master bedroom. We're gonna reveal to you guys the master bedroom that we were gonna take, but we decided. Y'all see his shirt? We're gonna show you the master bedroom, master bathroom that we was gonna take initially, but the reason why we didn't decide to take it is actually we'll probably show y'all why. We'll show you guys why. Yeah.
But our house has 2 masters.
2 masters.
2 master suites.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie. I think I seen on TikTok that animals eat mangoes by just biting it and stuff. Like I used to slice it.
Yeah, you don't even have to. Just eat it all over.
You just peel it.
Show them how you're gonna eat it. You eating that mango.
Let me put y'all onto something though. Go to Trader Joe's and get the honey mangoes. I bet you never heard of a honey mango. This is a honey mango, not a regular mango.
Is it really good and cold and juicy?
Man, it's amazing. So I got bodies every time. Ah!
What do you do?
I got no socks on.
You stepped in.
Stepping on my skin.
Was you outside earlier sitting in the ground playing with your toes?
Nah.
Because I thought you was sitting Indian style.
I was on my NLE chopper shit. He's like, you should put your feet in the ground on like soil every once in a while.
Oh, okay. How that makes you feel?
The same. I'm not gonna lie.
Like you haven't really had your feet on soil.
Yeah, I always got some. Yeah. Because why would I be outside with no socks on?
I mean, but that's like kind of like you're like really connecting with the earth. So
yeah, I guess that's what he said.
The soles of your feet. But anywho, yeah, we talking about a bunch of nothing right now. He probably gonna eat the rest of his mango, and then we'll show you guys the room together. Also, stay tuned because we're definitely gonna give y'all some tea.
I'm done with my mango, lost in my teeth right now, but I'm about to show y'all. I guess what you would call it, the main master.
The main master bedroom. Not really a tour, but I guess a little mini master tour. Oh, I want to show y'all his feet without socks because.
Yeah, I already didn't feel like going back upstairs to get some socks.
But this is so awkward to see him like without socks on because I'm so used to it. But.
That's why when he was telling us he was out there outside with no socks on, I was like, I don't think I've ever seen him without socks, y'all.
Alright.
Yeah, so you walk in here.
So we got a little hallway like right here, right before the room.
Like a little hallway. So this would be the main master?
This is the room that we really like went back and forth with each other. Like, man, like Clarence really wanted to take this room, but I was like, babe, we need to go upstairs and be with the kids at least.
You sure it wasn't the other way around?
Babe, you really wanted to be down here. I'm the one that was like, babe, I think we really should go upstairs. You was like, yeah, you right. Oh, and all this stuff in here, y'all, we literally have to get rid of this stuff. Like, this is just random things.
That's an
like,
off-white bed. We're not getting rid of it.
Oh, I mean, we won't have to get rid of it. You just.
But the TV, we're trying to get rid of.
Yeah, the TV, you're trying to get rid of these pictures. Like, Like this one was in the dining room, and this is a very nice picture. Like, but I don't know. We're gonna put this green picture, and then y'all remember we had these black and white pictures hanging up in the living room or whatever in the last house. But yeah, we pretty much don't know. And then like mirrors and stuff. And then this is all stuff that we're giving away. Clarence is giving away like a bunch of shoes in there.
Shoes, clothes.
Bedding.
I'm saying, you always gotta look out. You gotta look out for the less fortunate, you know. But this is a 65-inch TV. We don't want no more. Yeah. I mean, maybe we could give that away.
Yeah, we have to put it in a TV box. So
we could probably donate that.
Wow. All right, this is my favorite part.
Yeah, this is the bathroom. Before we walk in here, you know what I'm saying. Was like this and the closet was like the hardest to give up for me. You know what I'm saying. But when you have kids, it's like no longer.
Gotta make some
you.
Sacrifices. Yeah.
It's no longer about you. So. Well, before we walk in there, we're gonna
see. That's good parenting. Sacrifice.
We have an idea for this. Maybe movie theater / I don't know.
We really don't know. Honestly.
We really don't know. If you have any ideas, let us know in the comment section. But this is the craziest bathroom we've ever had. It's like an 8-person shower right here. Let's see. Can 8 people shower in here? 1, 2, 3. I had a 10-person shower.
Not to
just
count it.
More back here. And it got a tub in the thing, so I like that part. It's like a hotel.
This is like the bathroom. Well, the toilet that.
You know how hotels be combined in the shower and the bathtub? Yeah. That's what it is.
And I really liked how this right here we have storage actually, like for both sides.
Stuff.
We actually
Which we never had.
Yeah, we never had storage. We always have everything like on our counters and stuff.
And there's plugs in there. So
I can fit in there.
You can charge your toothbrush and everything without it being out like how Queen likes to do. And like that would be amazing.
Yeah, I would love to. Your feet stretch out all the way in there?
I gotta put them up, but it's still good.
We have a nice little window up there, bringing the natural sunlight. Oh, and then all of these things right here, like it's water coming out of here, here, and here. And that.
I don't know what's wrong with Atlanta homes. We've never had a linen closet. Like somewhere you can just put towels. We always had to buy some shit and put it and fold it in. We've never had this.
I know. It sucks. We can't even use it. I mean, we can use it, but like, I don't know.
Yeah, we be talking like it's not ours. Like
yeah, we be acting like we literally can't use it, but it just why have your
and then
really love this closet.
The drip.
And I love the fact that it already had a vanity set. I didn't have to look cut on the light. It's a light up there for the mirror. Like I didn't have to freaking. I could have just really used, I mean, I still could use it, but as y'all can see, like, we just use it, well, not we, Clarence used for all his stuff. Like I said, his stuff take up most of everything. He has a P.O. box and people send him clothes, so he keep everything just here.
Yeah, I don't keep everything though. Like the nice stuff, the really nice stuff I keep. Everything else, I kind of give to friends, donate, you know? So yeah, this is it. And then not only does it just, you got so much.
Y'all, I'm on top of a bag right now.
You get so much like hang up space and everything. We also don't have this.
Yeah.
We
wouldn't even have to worry about buying no drawers if we had this room here. Yeah, so that was the master
This
bedroom.
The main master.
Yeah, the main master. I mean, who knows though? One day we might end up just moving into this room.
Yeah, maybe when I get a little older.
Is that why you don't want to like really design our other room? Like, is that why you don't really want a bed or anything? Like,
nah, I do want a bed. We're gonna get a bed.
Yeah, y'all, we still ain't got a bed, so.
We also
I told y'all that was gonna happen though. We said we was gonna end up going back. I emailed the lady all the measurements. I didn't see no email back, so. It always happens that way where everything just becomes like really long-winded and we just be waiting, so.
I wonder why.
I wonder why too.
Did you just make the big eyes right now?
Mm-hmm. I wonder why. We could have got the bed that day and he was like, no, let's just wait.
Maybe that wasn't the bed for us. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you might miss your blessing trying to rush a blessing.
Or you might miss your blessing.
Mm-hmm. They having a little conversation, y'all.
And by
you trying
being
to rush.
picky.
God don't like rushing. You know what I'm saying? God is gonna provide a bed for us. And
yeah, but we have to, faith without works is dead. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have faith, you're gonna get a bed, but you also gotta work to get the bed.
But getting the bed, the first bed that you see, and spending money.
No, that's not the first bed we seen.
It's also wasting money.
That's not the first bed we seen, y'all. We was looking at stuff. How many beds
have you bought in your
online?
How many
we was looking at stuff. No, don't talk about the kids' bed. Talk about our bed. What about our bed? Like, we haven't, the same bed, y'all. Same bed since we got together.
I hate that bed too.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, he wants you still want a low platform bed?
I want a low floating bed. Is that too much to ask for? Like, it's hard to find a good floating bed. And I'm not sure about it being wood. Like, you ever, like, I'm not trying to hit my ankle on something every day.
That's what I said.
You know what I'm saying?
Usually
so
those
some
are
kind of fabric. Like some kind of
like a fabric floating bed. Somebody said that's gonna make our backs hurt, like getting up and down.
Well, our back already hurt, and we have a hot bed.
Anywho, y'all, it's okay. I'm gonna make sure I get me a bed in my office so that I can just space myself. We'll figure it out. That's why I said, you know what I think I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get an interior designer for like my little room, like to myself, see how that person does. And like, then I'll see if maybe the rest of the house could use, or other parts of the house could use it. It's Saturday, what we eating? Huh? You heard what I just said? I said, it's Saturday, what we eating? And you said, I'm actually very hungry.
I'm very hungry.
So we was like both thinking the same thing. So what
See, they're in the same, they're right here.
Trying to do? You trying to cook? What you trying to order some?
You want to make some? I vote for jerk salmon tacos.
Okay.
Raise your hand if you vote for jerk salmon tacos.
Yeah, I know it is 70 degrees in the house, but I'm freezing. I'm freezing so bad. All right, y'all. So our groceries finally came so that we could make dinner. I guess dinner. So we about to eat. We about to cook. We about to cook.
Grocery delivery, y'all. If y'all ain't did it yet, try it.
Yeah, so I'm about to surprise Legend with some bread. I know it sounds crazy, but he really, really, really loves bread. Watch his reaction. Legend, I got a surprise for you. You ready for the surprise?
Yeah.
All right, you ready? It's behind my back. You excited? You ready to see it?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Surprise!
He excited. He's like, yay.
Take a big bite for mommy.
So I'm on my way to the store because the lady and the Instacart lady got the wrong thing. She got Queen parsley and Queen needs cilantro. Some more. She got some hard avocados, so I gotta go be an avocado picker real quick. And then there's one more thing. Damn, I told Queen I didn't have to write it down, but I probably should have. It was 4 avocados, I think, and a lime. Yeah. See, I have to write it down. Yeah, look, when they send you to the store, they start asking for even more. I guarantee in like 2 minutes, it's gonna be something else. I got everything but sour cream. I don't know where sour cream would be. Yeah, I can't find the sour cream, man. I'm not gonna lie, this is OD. Is it next to the yogurt? It is next to the yogurt. I don't even know if they have flour left. As soon as I said that, y'all witness. Answer that in the comment section. Is flowers from Publix wild? Is that still respectful or nah?
Ma'am, he has to get home. Okay, I'm sorry.
It's okay. I ran into this nice, lovely lady right here. I said, hi,
guys.
Buck. How you doing?
Thank you,
You got it?
Yes!
Okay, nice to meet you. No problem. Look at this one.
Thank you, honey bun.
Here are Publix flowers.
I love them. Thank you.
What's up with your hair?
Where? Oh, you wasn't supposed to see that, but yeah. Thank you. Love the flowers and hope you still love me after this.
Okay.
All right, y'all. So I'm like frying my salmon. One side is already done. It's jerk salmon. It got the mild jerk sauce on it, and it's gonna be really, really good. And then I already made my sauce. Hold on, let me show you the sauce.
You got some granola on you.
Babe, why you always notice stuff? Like, why?
I just seen it.
He always notices.
See? Because you was one moment he got attention to detail. He got to see what he need to do to fix it.
I made this sauce, y'all. This is the avocado cilantro sauce. I'm not gonna say dressing, but like more like a sauce.
Avocado lime
Yeah, avocado cilantro lime.
sauce. It goes on top.
It's gonna go on top.
That's actually what makes the tacos like.
It makes it so good.
So Queen just mashed up the salmon and added a little more jerk marinade in there. So
Looking good. Look at that crispy piece right there. Y'all see that?
yeah, the outside is like crispy, inside is nice and
Seasoned.
seasoned and done.
Slap it on there. Okay, y'all, so
Tacos is done.
tacos is done. We made these right here. Ooh, these are jerk salmon tacos. Nevertheless, we told y'all to wait to the end of the video because we do have a little story time. I'm gonna let Clarence talk because I want to eat more of my taco. It's so good.
So I know we do go missing a lot, like here and there. I always come up with like an excuse or anything, but sometimes we be trying to like separate like the real life stuff from like the YouTube stuff, but it's hard because it intertwines. I'm about to tell you how, because like the reason why we've been moving and not like recording and not doing stuff is because there was like a little incident that had happened when we was like out of town. I guess you would say like people broke into our house. It was the front door, which is now,
Discreet way.
well, they basically destroyed our door. You know what I mean? So
They destroyed our front door. They kicked it down.
but you know, no one was here, which you know, nobody got hurt, nothing was taken. You know
Thank God, nothing was taken.
what I'm saying? Because security is, you know, very good. At least good enough to help us when we're not in town. Like that incident was the main reason why we went missing this time, just because we were trying to get everything in order before we start recording again and showing around and doing all that. We just had to make sure our stuff, security, door, like everything just in order, you know what I'm saying? Because evidently niggas is watching. That's how I feel. You know what I'm saying? I feel like it was targeted, you know what I mean?
That was a tease. Somebody broke into our house before. We really got to be really good up in here.
Yeah.
Hence why, you know, you want to be close to the kids, you know, just in case anything else ever happened. But I believe that things happen for a reason. And I know for sure me be on guard more because y'all know me. Like, I be on my Instagram stories, all in the stores by myself, no security. And like, I'm just that, I still be feeling like, you know, I'm just a regular person. I be wanting to feel free. Actually, I was traumatized for a little bit because I actually seen it. Like I seen it on camera. I actually watched it happen in real time. Like he said, we were out of town.
She was the first one to see it.
We was out of town and I was
772.
Oh, he's done with it. He's done with it.
No, he's saying 772. He wants you to play that song.
I know he want me to play this YNW Melly song right now. Right now is not the time.
You okay, Papa?
You thirsty? That was good.
Yeah.
But yeah, I watched it happen in real time, and it just happened out of nowhere. Like, we was having a good time, having fun, laughing, laughs and giggles, kiki, ha ha, boop boop. I was like, no, but
You ate 3 tacos?
I was hungry.
Little Miss Lady.
Yeah, the way they violently kicked down the door like that, they did it so quick that, like, it just made me really scared. Because I was imagining if I was in the house with the kids. I did panic.
Not panic, but like you just took too long. Like what? As soon as she told me, I set the alarm off, told the cops already. Like, you know what I mean? Like it was just you gotta. Like I would have did it as soon as I seen it.
No, but I'm imagining if I was in the house with the kids or something, or if you were here. Like I never want to get into like a situation where we actually gotta use bail.
No, I'm just saying
I told y'all he be hot and ready to use his piece for real. But I would never want that to even happen because
I bought
like
new pieces after that too. Not gonna lie.
yeah, he got one of them big army guns, them big guns.
But yeah, that's basically, and you know what I mean? That kind of held up a lot, you know? Like I stopped streaming. I was on my like consistent shit, and when we both were, you know, and it kind of ruined, not ruined, because the process was amazing. Like, don't get us wrong, the feeling, but it kind of ruined it. Yeah, like the moment, like, you know, like it's like a thin line because we're used to posting everything, but when you get to a certain point, it's like people watching you. It's not really a secret anymore. What you got? It's just like we be just trying to enjoy and live our life, enjoy it to the fullest. And I guess some people, I don't know if they hate that, or, you know, people just want what you have, you know. But, you know, as the man of the house, I've went through every step I could do to, like, secure everything, make sure we good. Like, I'm not gonna go into details, but just make sure. I just want to know that we are good, though. You know, we had to do a couple things, make a couple decisions, you know, and just to make sure our family's safe at all times. So that's us letting y'all in, you know, a little bit how things been.
Yeah, that's why we try to vlog like away from the house. Like we did the vacation. Like we showed y'all when we was in Turks. We were in different places. We didn't really want to expose that.
Hey, why you threw the ball at me? Yeah, so it's all about living and learning. That taught us a pretty good lesson, you know, for the next time or any other endeavors we come across. Like if, you know, if we buy something else or we get something, you know, or if we move one day.
Not to share everything with y'all. It's really true that you can't share your blessings with everybody, man.
Yeah, we would love.
Not tell the world.
We would love to like share everything with y'all, but not everybody that watch our videos is supporters, you know, which is crazy. Like, how you a hater watching, like, you know, but that's how it is. But now that we went through all the steps, we didn't go through them steps before because it was like.
It was no need. We were honestly good. No one has ever tried us that way.
No, not even that. It was like we didn't know, like, this is a new house, new neighborhood. Just got it, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not like we didn't do the necessary steps beforehand. It happened so quick. Like, we got it, boom, and it was like instant. So, I don't know. But we went through the necessary steps to make sure we good. And that we now can record and make footage and record content for you guys in our safe space.
What's wrong, Legend?
Sound like a dog's over there. We really could have just swept under the rug and not shared it and just kept it, but it's.
Oh, look at his little face. He want to play.
Like, I don't know. It's like I kind of want y'all to know what's been going on and why we, you know what I mean? Because we really do be trying to stay consistent. But like, we talked about this the other day. Every time we like start getting things rolling, it's like
something always happens.
Yeah, some wild, funny shit.
That's true for me too, y'all.
Always happens. Like, it's crazy. Roger, can you stop fake crying so we can finish the video? Thank you, buddy.
Why you gonna bust him out? So you petty fam, like he like, look, I see no tears. What's with this mumbling?
Appreciate it.
Oh, by the way, I know my hair looking dusty right now because I need to get these tapes out. But do y'all like my new color?
No.
I like it, Queen. Legends is saying no about something else. It's cute.
You don't like mommy's new color? Legend, do you like my hair?
Yeah.
See, I told y'all, he just be, you know, he be fronting a little bit. He is always fronting. He starts school, y'all, in August. So he gonna be wearing a little uniform. He gonna be so cute. I'm excited. And CJ comes home like next week, so life is gonna be good. But my hairstylist actually just arrived to take these out my hair, these tapes, because they just all slip it out. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna say bye. If y'all want the recipe though to these tacos, because it was bomb, chef's kiss, then just let me know. And then maybe we'll do a video for you guys. Do you want to say bye to them, babe?
Peace out, gang. Love ya.
All right, babe, go ahead. And I want you to put your hand on the camera. You got a real what?
Warhead head.
Babe, he got your head. Both of y'all got them octagon stop sign heads.
You got a veggie snack head.
No, I don't. I have like a strawberry head. Right, yo? Octagon, stop sign,
No.
strawberry.
You have a real stoplight head. Like a red, green, yellow light.
Like this?
Yeah.
And man, you got an iPhone head.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. You got a real tripod head. He got a real strainer head. What is that?
I'm gonna find something around the house and compare your head to it, but. Man, why is this? Why you sound like Santa Claus?
Yeah, I'm trying to get something on my teeth, but I'm laughing at the same time too.
You sound like Santa Claus. Okay, we got to go. Peace out.
y'all.
Love you guys. Babe, put your hand. I want you to do your hand, because your hand big. Peace.
All right, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe.
Got 'em.